Lucas, do you love your eggs? Can you say thank you, Uncle Doug and Aunt Colleen? Say, Mom, I'm very busy. I'll close the eggs up. Can you open the container back up? Open it back up. Oh, what about this one? Oh, can you put this one in the carton? Here you go, Lucas. Thank you. Is that thanks? Thank you. Keep turning. Uh-oh. Say thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mom, I'm just really busy. I've got a lot to do with my eggs. Okay, love you. Bye-bye.